What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to stop in today and just give a super short video and an update in video format on the YZ build. So it's been a super long time since I uploaded a video on this bike, and after I uploaded the video on that KX80, I got absolutely swamped with side work. So that's what's been going on with the build. I haven't done really anything to the build. After that, I've done a couple things, but I'm actually working on a video for it right now. And I just want to drop in because that might be a little while till that's out still. Hopefully within next week, I'm thinking. But I just wanted to kind of show you guys what the bike's up to and then give you some updates on what's going on with it. So here she is. She's been sadly tucked away in the corner over here, if it'll autofocus. My garage is an absolute disaster right now, don't mind that. But it's pretty much in the same exact state it was since the last video, except I did mount the bars, which are in the video, and then I ended up doing some work to the pipe as well. Got that shined up real nice. And then we did work to the radiators and also the carburetor as well. So that's where it's at right now. But by the end of the next video, she'll be running. So the only reason I'm doing this little pre-update is just because I want to kind of give you guys, that dedicated followers that have been following this build and wondering what's going on, I just wanted to give you guys an update on what's going on. So yeah, it's about there. I'm having a very hard time locating a shop that will fill that rear shock with nitrogen. I live really near a really reputable and good factory suspension company, but unfortunately they're not doing that kind of work anymore. They're only servicing their own stuff for their race teams. So I don't want to say the name because I'm not trying to talk bad about them or nothing. Here's the YZ. Got that project going on. We've had a bunch of projects going on, but it's finally time for the YZ again. So if you guys were curious on what's going on, this is just a super small update on what's been going on in the past month and a half. I've been absolutely itching to get back to that YZ. I cannot wait. I'm super excited to finally hear it run, finally get it on the dirt. So yeah, that's what's been going on. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this super short little video, but I just wanted to give you guys an update because I've been feeling real bad that I've been gone for about a month and a half. But yeah, that's what's been going on. So also the KX80, yeah, that's still waiting for parts. Waiting on a shift shaft right now. It's been like forever. And a piston. Pistons are back ordered for it, but there'll be a video on that soon. And then also the YZ soon. And then that world famous boat. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll know that I got a free boat. It's got a 302 V8 in it that I'll be doing just one video, one episode video on that, just getting that up and running on the water. So bunch of exciting things coming for the channel. We've just been swamped in the garage, but good news is, with the exception of friends like this one, I'm actually done doing side work on cars because I am focusing strictly only on power sports industry stuff now. So I'll still be doing videos about power sports, like side jobs like that. But as far as cars that I don't want to do videos on anyway, I won't be doing. And I won't be doing that work at all as it is. So I'll have more time to do the stuff that I'm passionate about, like power sports. So once again, guys, I'm starting to ramble, so I'm going to cut it now. So you guys will be hearing from me soon, and you'll be hearing from me as I'm working on that bike. And then you probably won't hear me because you'll just hear ding, 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 it running. Yeah, I can't wait. Oh. All right, bye-bye, YZ. See you guys soon.